Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya Archer, and on this channel, today I'm gonna be showing you how I straighten my natural hair. I haven't straightened my hair in like years, and that's because my hair is very thin. Like I have a lot of hair, like it fills up, there's a lot of it, like it fills up a lot of my scalp, if that makes sense, but the individual strands are thin. So straightening my hair isn't a good idea. That's why I don't do it often. So before I even begin to think about straightening my hair, I need to make sure that my hair is all prepped and ready to go. That means I need to have an amazing wash day. If you guys would like to see what I do before I begin straightening my hair and getting into that process, you can click the link right here or wherever it is, or in the in the description, to see my wash day routine. So what I do is I start off by unbraiding my hair. As you guys probably know, my hair is always in cornrows. It's always in cornrows or some kind of like sectional braids or twist or something to maintain it. So I go ahead and take out one section at a time. Before taking out all the sections, I just work with one at a time. I add some heat protectants or heat protector, some kind of heat defense. And then I take my Revlon one-step blow dryer and just run through that section real quick, trying to get all the kinks out, trying to make it super prepared for straightening. And yeah, after I'm done blow drying one section, I go ahead and re-braid it or retwist it or re-secure it so that I can have easy access to the other section, so that this section isn't like, you know, in the way. You know what I mean? I absolutely love this blow dryer. It is heaven sent by God to me, to the world, to all of us. I love it. Mommy? I really love this blow dryer because it's just really easy to blow out my hair. I don't have to use a brush and another blow dryer. It's just one step, it's in one, it's one thing. When I'm done blow drying each section, one section at a time, I then loose out all the section and just run through the blow dryer one more time, run through my hair with the blow dryer one more time, making sure that everything is ready to be straightened. And Avi, you work in sections when you straighten your hair. You're not gonna do it in a whole chunk. So I put the top up and like the middle up, and I leave a little slice at the back, and I start from the back and work my way up. This is the straightener I use. It's not the best This is the straightener I use. It is not the best straightener at all. Like, it is not a chi. It is not, I think it was like $30 at Sally's, or like 40 maybe. Because when I straighten my hair, I don't really fancy having it super bone silky straight. I just don't like that look, and that really scares me. So I just don't do it. Instead, I like, you know, use a cheaper straightener that will just get my hair kind of straight, but fluffy straight. That's the kind of straight I like. So I take the straightener and put it kind of close to my root, but not really. And then I pass it through once, and then I pass it through a second time, and sometimes I'll pass it through a third time. I think that I have my straightener on a medium, like I'll let you know the number in the description, but I think it was a medium. I don't put it on high because, again, that's scary. And yes, there's a lot of steam that's produced when I straighten my hair, and that is because I have all of that heat defense oil in it. So it's not my hair burning, it's actually just the oil kind of producing that steam. So Avi, I continue this process throughout my entire head of hair, and I go lightly. I don't do too many passes, and I just want that nice fluffy soft look without being too straight and flat. And that is basically it for my hair straightening routine and process. I keep my hair straight for like a week, and then I go right back to being natural, rocking my fro and rocking my curls. In my opinion, my hair straightening process is very different from everyone else's because I don't really, like I said, I don't really go for like the bone straight silk press kind of look. I like my hair to look fluffy and still a little bit afro-y, so I put my straightener on medium heat, and I don't use a powerful straightener. Honestly, I have yet to see what my hair would look like, super pressed out, silky. Maybe I'll do it one day, but honestly for now, I'm okay. I'm okay. Let me know in the comment section how you guys like your hair to be straightened. Do you like it super flat and like silky movement, or do you like it like how I like it with the fluffiness, kind of afro-y and light? That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me talk for like 6 minutes and watching me straighten my hair. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or comments about this, and I'll read them and take them in, because I really like recommendations and comments and whatnot, because I am not a professional, so it's nice to learn from all of you. Thank you guys for watching once again. Subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, you know, do all that stuff. And I will catch you in my next video. Toodles.